Hey, how's it going guys? This is Fuad. In this video, I'll show you how to hand feed your little baby bird. This is a remake video because the last one wasn't that good. So yeah, start off by taking some newspaper and stick it on a flat surface like a box or any other object. Stick it well. This is just for the bird so that the flat surface doesn't get dirty. So you just want to stick it well to the box and you want to move on to the next step. Now grab a cup and take like a teaspoon of water. This just for one time. I'm not gonna refrigerate it, so yeah. Take some egg food. This is really common in all local bird stores. So you want to take some of it. Make sure to not put excessive one. And yeah, you just want to start mixing it. It shouldn't dissolve right away because you haven't heated up yet. So dissolve it well with a spoon. And you can see the bird's really hungry. So yeah, now you want to zap it in the microwave for 10 seconds to 15 seconds until you get a consistency like that. The solution must not be too thick nor too thin, about like this. Now it's time to use a syringe and fill it in about halfway, and then you can start feeding your bird. Now if you're a beginner, this may be a bit hard for you to grasp the right technique, but you have to grip the syringe really well with your hand and using your thumb in the very end, releasing it really gently so that food is released really little by little so that the bird can have it with ease. As time passes by, the solution of the food gets thicker and thicker. The solution shouldn't be too hot. If you use your finger and just touch the food, you should be able to feel a little bit of warmth. Then you know it's perfect for your bird. Use a syringe from a bit of a high angle so that you can more easily feed the bird. How do you know if your bird's stomach is full? You see this part right under the neck of the budgie. If this part is bouncy and full of bird food, you know that the bird doesn't need any more food to consume. So this was the short video guys. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to get the latest birdie videos. And you guys take care. I'll catch you all next time.